how to start a furniture delivery business and get customers. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to start a furniture delivery business and get customers. Let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel where we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better business and better you. Okay, so with that being said, let's break down how to start a furniture delivery business and get customers. Okay, I'm gonna assume a few things. First, that you've already worked for a furniture delivery company before, and you know that you need to create an LLC. All right. And if you don't know how to create an LLC, or you never thought about creating an LLC, then check out this video right here. Okay. It'll tell you everything you need to know about creating your LLC and getting started with that, because you need an LLC. All right. Your next step is to get a truck. All right. If you don't have one already. If you can't buy a truck, I would advise getting a rental for the time being. You can probably rent one long term from Budget Rentals, Penske. There's a lot of different places you can rent a long-term truck from. Next step, make sure you get commercial insurance. There is no way you should have a furniture delivery company without insurance. Things happen, so you must be prepared. There are a few tools you will need, all right? But I don't think I need to go over every tool you'll need to have, because you worked for a furniture delivery company already, right? Right. Instead of going over that, let's go over the crew problem, all right? Because I know it's hard to get good help nowadays. But instead of getting a big crew, I would hire help as I needed, or I would start the furniture delivery company with a partner, maybe 2 other people, or maybe your best friend or something like that, because you're gonna need someone to help you deliver the furniture. All right. Now, next step, get yourself a 1-800 number. I will have a link in the description below where you can get that from. It's very simple, very straightforward. You probably can get one for free for, maybe 30 days or something like that. Then it'll probably be a monthly fee. Fairly cheap, anywhere between $10 to $20 per month. All right. Next step, before we even get into, how to get customers, let's go over the checklist. All right. So you got your LLC, check. You got you a truck, check. Insurance, check. You got yourself at least 2 or 3 people in your crew, check. And a 1-800 number, that's so you can look more professional, check. Okay, so now how the hell do you get customers, right? How the hell do you do that? All right, so I got a few ideas. When you first step out to get customers, I would target independently owned thrift stores that sell furniture, or independently owned furniture stores. These will be an easy way to get customers on a regular basis. You can leave flyers for people to contact you at the checkout, or you can set up an agreement with the store owner, and they will recommend your company as a delivery company to call when setting up the delivery of the furniture. All right, so you'd be like the go-to guy for the delivery. And the other way you could do it, I would also use an app called GoShare. All right, GoShare assists people to connect with on-demand furniture delivery companies. This is a perfect app for people that live in Atlanta, LA, Phoenix, San Diego, Jersey City, New Jersey, and a host of others, okay? I'm not gonna go down the whole list of places. You go ahead and check out the app, that's so you can see if they are close to you or close by a major city that you are close to. Okay, you can sign up as a driver fairly easy. All you need to do is apply directly on their website at GoShareApp.co. That's C-O. This will probably be the way you will get your business off the ground while you do other forms of marketing, like flyer marketing, EDM marketing, online marketing, things like that. So there you have it, folks. That's how you start a furniture delivery business and get customers too. All right? So if you want to learn what my #1 tool recommendation is to help build a business online, click the link below. It's easy and you can use it for free for 7 days. All right? So thanks for watching. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.